It's a very nice day in my neighborhood, and today we're going to be taking a little nature walk and picking up some litter too. And on the way, we're just going to be passing by some cool plants. So let's go. Oh, there's a plant down here, so I have to be careful down here. There's an eagle's nest somewhere over there too. Well, it's very slippery down here with the leaves. It just turned spring down here, so we still have some leaves down here. Going to go down to the first rock. There's 3 rocks. Well, we're on the 3rd rock. We're almost there. We'll be going down there, down to the river. It's going to be very nice out, hopefully. It's a very nice day out today. It's hot, but it's also, the wind is also blowing in your face, so it's nice. We're going to try to go down to the 2nd rock. You coming down?
Yeah, I was just getting some.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll see some fish in the water. We have some snacks, like Dr. Pepper, mints. Someone actually built this rock. So it's very nice down here. We'll maybe see some animals pass by, like a deer. Or maybe even a snail. Here's some moss on this tree. It's not wet, so it's not slippery. Well, it's very nice down here. Now you can see a little part of this. It used to be a stream in the summer. Here's the 2nd rock now. There's a bridge down there. We're going to be going down there. Let's go. Let's hurry. Well, very nice over on the little rock. Very cute. And part of nature. Maybe we'll see a snail, sloth. Well, not a sloth, but okay. Maybe we'll see some cool animals. Or maybe we'll see a baby fawn. You never know what you'll see in the wilderness. Well, it's very nice down here. Well, just these rocks can sometimes be a little slippery. Look! I found the top of an acorn. You can plant acorns for seeds to grow. Look, here's another top. Trees can grow out of acorns.
Look, that looks like that's probably came from an acorn.
Maybe that's a little tree. We'll see when it grows up. I'll plant these little acorns down here. Look! It looks like a snail used to come from this little shell. A snail is a cute little animal sometimes.
Look.
Oh, look, there's a little raccoon over there. Oh my god. He's so cute. Hi. I've never really seen a raccoon. Oh.
I got a good shot of him.
Good job. That's what I said. You can see anything in the wilderness. I've never really seen a real raccoon before. That was my first shot of one.
I heard him. I was like, I heard something. And I looked over there, and it was a raccoon.
Yeah, my dad's here with me, so he's helping. Let's go some more down. That raccoon is so cute. That's what I told you guys. you can see anything in the wilderness. I was really hoping we'd
Still
catch
hear
something
him.
on the camera.
You can still hear him. He's almost to the bottom already.
I think he smells our food in our book bag.
He's almost to the bottom already.
Dad, don't let him get on your book bag. Just remember, they're a sneaky little fella. That was such a cute little raccoon. I'm glad we caught that on camera. That was awesome. Whoa! So don't leave this video yet. We may see some more animals, and we may even see the little raccoon again.
Here, let's give him a good shot of these stairs.
Stairs are stairs. You have to be very careful down these
They're
ones.
built into the side of the mountain.
Yes. I wonder if we'll see that little raccoon again. Look, there's some pine cones on that tree.
Yeah.
I can't wait to watch this video again and see the raccoon. You know, I hope you guys like
This is the best time for a hike because all the leaves and stuff aren't on the trees yet.
And
But it's still
just
nice
has-
out.
And it just has been springtime.
Yeah,
I wonder if that was a mama raccoon.
It looked like it.
What do you mean?
That's why you have to be careful. If there's babies around, she could get mad at you.
Then we have to be very quiet and try not.
I think she's way down there. I think we're good.
How do you know it's a she, Dad?
Well, I don't know, but
Oh, look, we found another acorn. Okay, let's keep going down. We found a lot of acorns now. And the raccoon. Oh my gosh. So don't leave now. You may see the raccoon again today. Look. It's a really, really fat pine cone. Looks like it has rocks stuck to it. It's pretty big. Let's go find some more stuff to do in nature.
look,
What?
I see him.
You see him?
He's way down there by the tree.
Or she.
See?
It. Just say it. Where?
Way down there by that tree.
Tree.
See the big tree to the...
Oh yeah, I see.
she's at the bottom of it.
You gotta zoom in. I'm not sure if you guys
I don't
can
think
see the
I can
raccoon,
see
but
that.
it's all the way down by that huge tree.
Oh, it is. It's right on him. I got him.
Oh my gosh. I bet she's finding, or it is finding food. Oh, Dad, I can't believe we saw a raccoon. That was perfect. It's going down to the little stream. Probably doesn't even know we're there. Raccoons are so cute, but they're masked bandits.
Look, it's going up that tree. See it? Going up the big one?
Yeah, I do. Dad, I told you we should have run the camera. Isn't that great that we
Yeah.
brought it? We caught a good glimpse of one. Hey, Dad, I hear something over there. It sounds like just like the mama raccoon, but it's right over there. Oh, I think I hear the mama raccoon. I'm not sure, though. We might find something else in the wilderness. How is it going? Do you see
I
the
can't find him now.
Well, that was the last glimpse of the raccoon. We may see it again up close, but
Yeah, that's where we're going.
yeah,
he's
we're
gonna think
going
we're-
down there, so we
He's
may.
gonna think we're following him. You know what's pretty cool is we can see all the little channels of water now
Oh, I
too.
see the raccoon again. It's down by the tree again. Dad, you know what? Actually, that raccoon must have been a mama because they sometimes have habitats in the trees. He could have babies in there. You never know.
It's springtime.
Yes, it is springtime.
It's the time for babies.
Yes, it's time for new animals to come into the wilderness. And even raccoons. Yeah, you guys still stay in this video. You still may see the raccoon. Don't leave now. Oh my goodness. Do I see Mama?
It's still here making noise down there.
Dad, stop saying him. It could be a mom. It could be
Her,
a
I
mama.
keep saying her.
Her, it. Just say it. Whoa, Dad, look at this. It's like a big seed. pretty cute.
Hold it up again.
It's just a little cute seed.
So,
Let's leave it in the ground so it can grow. Now let's keep going. Maybe I'm dying to see the raccoon again. And maybe see its babies if it does have some. We're probably not going to see the babies. But we did see a mama raccoon.
you didn't follow the stairs.
What?
There you go. Back on the stairs.
It's a little scary. Oh dear. Don't wear the stairs. You coming?
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going down. What do you guys? Leave in the comments. Is it a he, she? And does it have babies? What do you think? What do you think? I can't wait to see. Okay. That was a big scary part. Now let's keep going down. I'm glad I brought the camera so you guys could see that raccoon. It was so good. Since Dad got a good thing of it, I'm good. I can't wait to look back over this video when I post it. Or when I just look at my camera after this. And don't worry, you'll get to see the river down here too. Maybe we'll see fish jump out of the water. And no, we do not live in the ocean, so there won't be a dolphin, but that fish is good. Well, I'm going to go this way because it's not pretty. And I can go around. Awesome. Nature is experience. You have to be fit for nature. Are you fit for nature? Do you like nature? What do you guys think about nature? We go this way, I remember. To the log, to the log, to the log. Log's dirty, Dad. You know if the log's dirty?
It's outside.
What?
It's outside. Oh, sturdy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks kind of sturdy.
I'm
Floating though.
just going through the pathway. Hopefully there's no wet spots in it. I was just worried that there would be a wet spot.
Or snakes.
No, let's keep going.
Whoa!
Whoa! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Like I said, it's a great day in my neighborhood.
Yeah, that's not slippery. We made it.
Fun for everyone. Hope you enjoy your day and you get outside to play. Now let's keep going down. It was the perfect time to see that. Because we are in nature. I wonder where that mama raccoon is. Do you want to go check out the tree?
I don't hear her anymore. I think she went. I think I heard her walking that way to the right.
Let's go check out that tree she was at.
Look, the bluebells are already down.
What?
The bluebells.
There's some there.
Oh, okay. Look at these little flowers.
Getting yucky.
Look.
Yes, those are so pretty. Now, I'm gonna go across. Don't do this to everyone. Don't do this to nature. It can get people stuck. It can get the animals stuck and make them die and strangle. You don't want to do that, do you? Then help out nature. Don't.
Here you go.
Littering is bad. especially if you're doing it in nature. If you're littering in your house or something, just let your dad or mom pick it up. But littering in nature is a bigger deal. Here you go. We're collecting things on the way. But first, I want to check out that tree the mom was asking.
Look at all the bluebells.
Yes, there's lots of bluebells over there. And I really want to.
You gotta cross over here.
Wait, wasn't the mama raccoon at that big tree?
Oh, that's where we're going.
You never know. Maybe it just wasn't in that tree. We'll look at lots of the trees while we go by. I wonder if we'll see any tadpoles in that tree.
There's a butterfly.
What?
Butterfly.
Stand still. Hi, little butterfly. Oh my gosh. Look at the beautiful butterfly. It's flying away. Maybe we should give it some food. Let's keep going. Maybe there's something in here. Why is there bubbles in there? Is it just the air in the stream?
It's decomposing leaves and stuff.
What do you guys think? Some other flowers that I don't know of. Here's that. Here they are. Here's the bluebells. They're pretty. And look, I see the pollen. Looks like bees haven't gotten that one yet. I'm looking if there's any animals in here. Nope, doesn't look like it. Let's keep going on to the river. What do you guys think these pink flowers are? Also say that.
Those are bluebells.
Are you sure? Because they're not blue.
They still have to come out.
Oh, well, they must be bluebells.
They must have just started. They're only out for like a week or two. A week and a half, 2 weeks.
It's very pretty out in nature. We saw a mama raccoon. Maybe she went down to the river.
The whole woods are covered with them now.
Yes, they were really cool to see.
We gotta come in a couple days, and all those ones that aren't up will be up.
Dad, come over here. Look, I think we found some seeds. Look, I think we found some seeds.
Yeah.
They're kind of spiky.
I wonder what kind of tree it is.
I don't know. Let's wait till they fall off. But look, they're very, very spiky.
Yeah.
They don't hurt that much, but if you really press your fingers against them, they really hurt.
Probably keeps birds off of them, maybe.
Yes, and things from eating them. Maybe we should leave the seeds alone. Balance. Falling trees can be really helpful to people. Sometimes it's sad for trees to fall down. Sometimes they're not old when they fall down. Sometimes they fall down because of a streak of lightning. Sometimes trees can be bad when they What are they called? They're like the little fish that have like the claws and you can pick up.
Crawfish?
Crawfish. Maybe they were looking for crawfish.
Yeah, I bet you a raccoon would tear a crawfish up.
Oh, well. That was a hard
Did you hear
time.
that?
Keep going. Oh, there was a bridge. What you looking at?
I heard something.
Maybe it's a kind of bird. Or maybe it's a raccoon. Let's keep going. Be very quiet. That was good. That's a very good one. But maybe that was good. We're looking for the mama raccoon. It's a whole river life. It's a beautiful river. You don't want to fall in. It may still be cold since it's spring. You can go over to the other rocks too. Let's go. Maybe the mama raccoon is. No. Okay, let's go back to the other one. All you have to do is get up with them. Don't worry, we can keep you guys on until we get back home. It's also nice up on this rock. Maybe one day you guys can come to this river. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, maybe you shouldn't touch the water. I don't think you want to get on that rock. This rock has a lot of moss on it. I wonder if I can see the mama raccoon. Don't worry. If I say mother raccoon, I'm just assuming it's a mother. Oh, I see some branches out there. They look like seaweed.
Hey, Boogie. Hey.
Yeah?
You think it's long enough?
I'm not cutting it off.
Ooh.
Keeping it until we get back up.
How is Daddy gonna hold the thing the whole time?
Dad,
That's a lot.
you can keep switching hands.
I have a trash bag in my other hand.
You can put the trash in the book bag, can't you?
Then it'll be like way too long, won't it?
No.
It'll be like an hour long.
Walk halfway up. Here, that way.
Well, you need to keep them entertained. What are we doing? All right, stay right there.
There's lots of things in nature that you can see. Maybe I can find some peace. Or anything you can find in nature is a gift, a big gift. Like if you see a raccoon, that's a huge gift.
Have some Dr. Pepper.
Well, anything you find in nature is a gift. But so is Dr. Pepper. Give me. Ooh. Here's Dad drinking Dr. Pepper. Wait. Dr. Pepper. Okay. Okay. Here's a touch if you want to see Dad drinking Dr. Pepper. Okay.
Let me see your shirt.
Drinking Dr. Pepper on the river. Let's see. I wish we saw the mother raccoon. Ew, get off me, fly.
Are we going Blue Ridge Acres?
No. Maybe in another video we'll hike in here and do something. But in this nature video, it's not going to be a nature fair. It's going to be a nature thing.
You want a peppermint?
Sure. Give me.
Can you sing a little bit of Country Roads for us, please?
Country roads, take me home to Mama. I need to show you guys something. It may be a little dark. Sorry, I have a peppermint in my mouth if my voice sounds weird. Okay, back off me. Look at this orange stuff on the rock. What do you guys think that is? It's pretty cool. Also this, I think that's just moss.
We should camp on that island one day.
Here's a spot of the river where you can see it. What do you guys think about nature? What do you think about this video? What do you think about the raccoon? We're not ending it yet. Like this stick, which I don't really feel like holding. Alright. Back to nature. We have a little staircase where we can go down. That's just my shadow. It's not wet. It's not the river. But you can't go all the way down. The river has the rest on it. See? Walking in nature is such a thing. You can be a ring, ring, ring. Don't be on let's run. It's for nature. Nature's better than anything in the world. Don't litter. Don't litter. Don't litter. Just bring some snacks. Camp out Or just go to the river to see the view. There's a beautiful view from this rock. What do you guys think of it? There's a beautiful view from up on the hill. What do you guys think about it?
Hey, there's your eagle's nest.
Where?
See up in that tree?
No.
Go out on the rock.
We're going to the eagle's nest. We're going to the eagle's nest. What do you think? Yes. Oh my gosh. I gotta catch that. Okay. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Wait.
Yeah, there's a bald eagle's nest.
Where is it? Where is it? Okay. See that thing up there? See that little pile of branches? That is the eagle's nest. We've looked at that for a long time. I'm glad we caught it on this video. If you want to see another glimpse of it, I'll show it to you. And if your mom wasn't watching, just tell me. Okay, so here we go. If anyone in your family is interested in eagle's nest, tell them to watch this video because there's one in it. That is not a bird. It's not closing its mouth. But soon, there will probably be another baby bird in that. Hi. Wait, I hear something. I think I just heard something. Maybe we'll find the raccoon again. Okay, never mind. So there's lots of things in nature that you should appreciate. Like lots and lots of stuff that you should appreciate. Look at all this. It's beautiful nature.